Bullish pennant. What is bullish pennant? Bullish indicates uptrend movement and pennant is long and narrow triangle. How to identify this pattern and what is the prerequisite? This pattern will be used to find the uptrend movement. So after uptrend movement, while consolidation, triangle pattern will get created. So draw the trend line. You will get a triangle pattern. This trend line will be considered as resistance trend line and this line is a support line. So once the breakout happened on the resistance trend line, we can expect a uptrend movement. So what is the target? Measure the length of the breakout and consolidation. This will be considered as a pole. So whatever the length we got here, same length we can expect after the breakout. So I am considering it has a H. And what is the stop loss? Stop loss is below this support line. Hope this analysis helps you to find profitable trades. Happy trading. Cheer us with thumbs up. Thank you.